Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Stephanie, and for today's video, we are checking out RONGRONG'S holiday collection, which launches today, Friday, October 10th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. And if you happen to see anything that you like, I would truly appreciate it if you shop through my affiliate link, and if you need a discount code, be sure to use code Stephanie10 to save on your order. Everything will be linked in the description box below, and as always, I truly do appreciate all of your support. And be sure to come back for a separate plan with me using some of these goodies. And so I think that I'm going to start with the holiday collection. And so as you can see, we have the sticker book and the PET tape and washi box right here. And so let's go ahead and start with the sticker book. So Santa's Workshop, and then here in the beginning we are going to have all of the functional things and decorative boxes as well. And so we have double boxes, regular boxes. As you can see, we have male and girl elves as well. And then we have Dear Santa, I Can Explain. And then Sugar and Stripes and Everything Nice, Naughty or Nice. And then Ho Ho Ho. We also have some circle stickers as well. And then look at this beautiful sign. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. So I'm loving like the pink and the red, which is your traditional colors, but we also have the blues and the pinks, and I think that it is so pretty. So we have a holiday shopping list, and then we have the clustered boxes, which is one of my favorite pages because it does make planning so much easier. So here we have a second page of that. And then here is the washi strip page. Definitely loving this one as well. And then here we have the alpha and number stickers. And then here is where we're going to start with the clear matte stickers. And this one is like a bucket list. So hang ornaments, listen to Christmas music, write letter to Santa, bake cookies. So definitely loving this one. And then we're going to get all of the beautiful dolls and deco stickers as well. Believe in the magic of Christmas. There's room for everyone on the nice list. And then we have more elves over here. The elves are watching and they tell Santa everything. That is funny. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty these ones are. And I love when the dolls are clustered like that. And then we have this one here. Very beautiful. Like I said, I'm loving the traditional colors, but also the pastel colors with the blue and the pink. And then we have these string lights right here. And then, of course, more quotes, more dolls, and more everything. So very pretty. Definitely loving that. And then, of course, if you don't need all of the functional things, we also have the PET tape and washi box it because it is all deco stickers, which is my favorite part. And it does come packaged like this, and it is just so pretty. So let's go ahead and quickly open it. But I have swatched it for you guys. So let's go ahead and get this going. So here we have this striped one, and then this one has like all of the toys. Then we have the beautiful houses here, and this one is the whitest washi with the candy canes and the bows. And then we have the string lights in PET tape. So these last two are going to be PET tapes. And if I get it out, let me show you. It is all just the string lights. So yeah, this one is going to be fun to work with. And so I went ahead and started swatching the PET tape down here. But of course, there is so much more to it. So let me go ahead and get it out. And so here it is. So yeah, all of the stickers we just saw in the sticker book, but in a PET tape form. So definitely loving that. So let's go ahead and wrap it up before it ends up all over the place. So yeah, definitely loving this collection. And next we do have there's a quote for that sticker book, and it does have 21 pages of sticker quotes to match every mood. So this is the back as well. And so we're gonna start with running late is my cardio. If you love me, let me sleep. Always late. 50 Shades of Tired. Hold on, let me overthink this. Enjoy the journey. My age doesn't bother me. It's the side effects. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. I laughed so hard. Tears ran down my leg. Adultish. So yeah, and these ones are actually in regular sticker paper, so definitely keep that in mind. And so we also have, did I just roll my eyes out loud? Nope, not today. Today anything is possible. None of this was on my list. I'm not weird. I'm limited edition. And then wine flies when you're having fun. Sip happens, it's fine. I make poor decisions. Oh my gosh, these are so funny. All I need is coffee and lashes. Don't let today be a waste of makeup. To be honest, I'm just winging it. My life, my eyeliner, everything. And then here we have this one. Catch you on the flip side. In food we trust. And then we have every day is a fresh start. My brain has too many open tabs. And I love like the different fonts. And then we do have like some little cute pictures and icons and doodles. So definitely loving that too. Look at the different font on this one. Mommy needs coffee, bring me coffee. Monday goes better with coffee. More coffee ones here. So yeah, I feel like this one is a must-have because you seriously can't go wrong with all of the functional things. Me, sarcastic, never. Not today, always late. I love how these ones are structured. And then here we have them in the back, the white background. Finally, sorry I'm awkward. Nope, not today. Yes, that was sarcasm. And then last but not least, we have shopping is my cardio. Time for a drink, overthinker, bring me coffee. So yeah, loving this sticker book. I think it's a total must-have. And so last but not least, we have some PT tapes. And there's actually, I want to say 12 or 14 of them, but here I have 4. And Wrong has actually introduced a 3.0 PT tape, and I believe only a few selected are that kind, so definitely keep that in mind. But for now, these are the ones that I received. And so look at how beautiful this one is. Loving like this toned down green. It is very, very pretty. And then we have this one, and look how pretty and classy this one is with the black and the white. Very, very pretty. Oh my gosh, I seriously cannot wait to dive into this one. And then we are going to get lots of little shops. And I believe they are all bookshops. But look at all of the details, the trees, the snow, the bugs. Very, very pretty. And then last but not least, we have this one here. And this one I feel is more, I was going to say Halloween, but it is just like on the darker side with all of the blacks, the bugs, the fireplace, some gold in there. So again, very, very pretty as well. Okay, There we go. So yeah, once again, all of these items and a few more do release today, Friday, October 10th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. And like I said, if you happen to see anything that you like, I would truly appreciate it if you shop through my affiliate link. And if you need a discount code, be sure to use code Stephanie10 to save on your order. And as always, I truly do appreciate all of your support. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.